How to turn off the sound of the bread maker Cuisinart CBK-200. This works also for the version 200C, and it probably works also for the 100 version. Step 1, turn it off. You don't want to be working with powered equipment, and leave it be for 15 minutes so that you can the capacitors can turn off. Step 2, remove the lead. If you don't know how to remove it, align the tabs with these holes, take it off, put it off here. Step 3, remove this screw. Step 4, take this cover off. It's very hard, don't be gentle. You can do a lot of put a lot of force on it because it's really stuck. Step 5, remove these screws here, 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 here and here. Then you can remove this cover, and the bus is located behind this harness, electric harness here. If you remove it, you will see I put a screw on it to make it quieter, because I don't want to mess with the electronics, and really it just works. I'm gonna turn it on just so you can hear what sound it makes now. Don't do that, or do it, whatever. That's it. You can hear it now. Where do you see that screw? Right here, that screw. That's where the buzz is. I'm gonna try to put my, I can put my thing in there. But that's where the buzz is. Okay, bye.